Oh man, this is gonna be good. Hey, what's going on, Fry?
What's up, buddy? What you up to?
Oh, nice shirt.
Hey, you like it?
It looks good.
Right?
You like my shirt?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't. I can't reach this far back, but there's stuff on the back too.
My boobies are bigger than yours.
Wait. Let me see the bag. Ooh. We'll talk about that in a minute. I got a present for you.
What?
Yeah, but in order to get it, you have to pick the right box.
Oh, I gotta work for it.
Yeah, you have to pick the right box. So I got 3 boxes. Two. I'm not quite sure about this one. I don't know if you want to pick that one. And 3.
Well, I think that one just farted, so it's gotta be that one, right?
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh!
Surprise! Oh yeah, I definitely knew I smelled farts. Now you let the fart out of the box. Oh God, no! Put it back. Oh, put it back. Put it back.
I think so. Yeah, I think we need to put this box back.
Oh no, the fart box again.
Okay. Do you want to pick a different one?
Can I have that one instead?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the empty box at this point.
Yeah. All right, let's pick this one. Do you want to take the honors this time?
Who's jumping out of this one? Are you in this box?
A present! Okay, so we're gonna get to the unwrapping of this box. And I mean, you guys have seen the title of the video, so you got a little bit of a spoiler of what we're gonna be showing today. But we got something else. I know, it's actually a year to the day, at least when I'm filming this, a year to the day since I did the reveal of the exhaust for the S1000. So, fun fact. But I know when I did the exhaust for that, you guys had to wait like a week or 2 after I showed you the exhaust before we got it installed. You don't have to wait that long. For this exhaust, for the R1, we're gonna do a reveal today. I wanted to get this out as quick as I can. I don't have time to install it today, but I wanted to let you guys know about it. In 24 hours, tomorrow, Monday, the install of the exhaust for the R1 is gonna be happening right here on the Motonosity channel. The other thing that we've got going on wow, you guys are really low there. Rising up. In tomorrow's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the entire new merch line. I haven't done like an actual merch collection drop since I did the Life's Better with Horsepower release several years ago. So yeah, Fry is wearing one of the shirts that we're gonna be having. It's got this new Daily 100 design on the front. On the back, we've got the Daily 100 Speedo design. So we've got that shirt. This is the retro shirt that we've got right here. It says Motonosity Life Lived on the patch. And then on the back, we've got another Daily 100 design. That's a little bit of a teaser. You guys have also seen the new Daily 100 key tag that I have on the S1000, if you've been watching the videos, but there's a lot more. I got another key tag, I got a lanyard, I got a reservoir cover, we got hoodies. First time I've ever made hoodies, and a couple other shirts. So when the video goes live tomorrow, I'm shooting for 11 a.m. Central Time, that's noon Eastern Time. All the merch will be live on the website. If you wanna get notified exactly when it goes up on the website, make sure you sign up for my newsletter down in the description. I think that's that. What do you think about the shirt? Do you like it?
Yeah, I love the shirt.
Dude, they're so soft. Like, I've done Teespring stuff before, but for the longest time, I've been selling all my merch on my own website. That way I have the full control of the entire developmental process. That way I know that it's the highest quality stuff. And these are no different. And I also used a former motovlogger, current YouTuber, Lee Stewart. His company is Rogue Lab. They're based up in Canada, and they do some super good work. So he's helped me out with this entire process, and he's done all the printing of all these shirts. I've got sticker packs as well. Forgot about that one. That will go live again tomorrow in 24 hours when the exhaust install video goes live. Sign up for the newsletter, motonosity.com/shop. But let's get to unwrapping this exhaust. Excuse me, this present. So Fry, I'm still gonna let you open it up because I did say it was your present, so. Before you open this, guess in the comments and be honest. Pause the video, go down in the comments, write what you think it's gonna be, and don't edit your comment. Don't delete it and put a new one. Okay, so did you leave your comment? All right, I'll give you another hint. You can see if your comment was right or wrong. Don't go change your comment. You already put it down, but I've never done an exhaust from this company. So pretty exciting. I'm really stoked. Fry, let's get this thing open.
Yes.
All right. Does it feel like? Oh, SC project. Yes.
I have done an SC project before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, on my street triple.
Oh, that's right. I mentioned that when I feel like I did when I rode the Street Triple RS. Fry had a Street Triple. He had the 675 version, which I never rode. But I've always really liked the sound of the SC Project. It was one of the exhausts I was deciding between when I got my exhaust for my R6, my 2017. But I've never done an SC Project. I feel like I continue the trend of putting a new exhaust on every bike that I get. So this is the new. This is a hookup from Motivation. If you guys are unfamiliar with Motivation, they sell a bunch of different motorcycle parts for a lot of different motorcycles, and they are a huge partner here on the channel, providing a lot of parts for all the bikes that you guys see here. But for this bike, we're going to be installing the SC Project exhaust. So again, I don't have the time to install it today. We're going to get this installed tomorrow, but you guys are going to be able to see this video first of the unboxing. We'll show you guys what we got going on. This is the titanium exhaust, believe it or not, the 2020 R1, and I believe the past few years of R1 have come with titanium headers. So we don't need to replace the headers, but this is gonna be a 3/4 exhaust. It's gonna get rid of the muffler, silencer. It's gonna get rid of the giant cat that's underneath the bike right here, which is huge. Yeah, so it'll really clean things up. It'll sound really nice. I've heard the SC Project on the R1s and it sounds awesome.
I think a lawnmower sounds louder than this.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. It's in major need of improvement.
You're not gonna mention the Elsa head on?
Oh yeah, this is adds about 15 magical horsepower. We got the Elsa Braid. Does not come with the SC Project exhaust. I'm sorry.
How do I look?
Dude, it actually matches the shirt.
Matches the Daily 100
It does.
shirt?
It looks pretty good.
A bald guy with a ponytail.
Show that clip. Look at that color. It's pretty close.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Okay, that was a little violent.
Real quick, should we let Fry out of the box?
No, I think we should leave him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh yeah. Did you know it's made in Italy?
I did. It took a while to get this exhaust. So I bought the R1 in June. As soon as I bought the bike, Motivation and I put in the request for one of the exhausts for the R1. It's taken this long. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now, so there's delays with a lot of stuff. But yeah, we finally got it. I haven't been just like holding out on you guys for other alternative reasons. I legitimately was just waiting for the exhaust to get here, but it's here, so.
This is one of those weird Italian boxes that I'm doing this right.
Oh, I think it opens from the top.
Opens from the top?
Yeah, see?
Hold on. Those.
Oh yeah, okay, so we pull these out. It's packaged very well.
There we go. Okay.
Oh no, now it opens from the top.
Now it opens from the top.
Okay.
Man.
Are you okay?
These Italian
boxes.
Was that
traumatizing?
Italian boxes are tough. It feels like an empty bag. Like literally feel that. It feels like an empty bag.
Whoa, dude, that's so light. I know it's always the case with titanium. It feels way lighter than you expect it to weigh, but it always surprises me.
Check out that bunghole.
You know it's titanium because of the color.
You know it's titanium because it's titanium. That's some good welding.
I know.
That's way better than my hack job welds.
Dude. These aren't even ground down, it looks like. These just look like really nice welds.
Oh, those are raw, hand-done TIG welds.
Got another one?
This has been ground down, but...
Yeah.
Desperate.
Dude, I love the look of these ground down welds.
Wait, so you have
these ones are not.
202 sensors?
Dude,
I guess
the S1000 has 4.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's 5 more than my Jeep.
Set these over here. Just leave it.
With its brother.
Yeah, I want to be careful with that. Okay.
All right, we haven't gotten to the best part yet. Feel this. No joke. This is heavier than those two pieces.
Combined.
Yeah.
Although I don't think there's an exhaust that has titanium clamps. I know there's going to be someone in the comments that's going to prove me wrong on that, but I'm going to go with it anyways. I feel like my confidence can carry me through to anything.
You don't ever have to know anything. You just have to pretend like you're confident. Ooh. Should I just stab it in?
Yeah, just like be as violent as you can with the blade.
Oh.
There we go. Dude, I love these. I love these fat pipes.
Dang.
I love these like double diameter pipes.
So that's a 2 to 1.
Yeah, but this is interesting because I like this. It's all welded into one because on my S1000 with the exhaust I have on that, it's this is its own piece, so then it's clamped to the slip-on portion.
Oh, interesting. So there's no logo. Hold on.
Does it have choose your own adventure logo? I wonder if I could get like custom made SC Project Motonosity labels for the exhaust.
I have bad news. For racing use only.
Oh, there will be some racing.
Do you know what would be really cool? As if that said for daily 100 use only instead.
Dude, SC Project, next exhaust I do with you guys, we got to do some custom design work on these. So if you saw the video when I did the install of the SC Project exhaust on Hunter's CBR 1000, this is the same version of the exhaust, obviously for a different bike. Same version, but you can get different finishes of the actual like can silencer portion of the exhaust. So this is the carbon fiber version. Reason I went with that one is because, as you guys know, I'm trying to go blacked out on my R1, and the exhaust is pretty much the only thing on this bike other than the Elsa braid that is not is not black. That's why I went with the carbon fiber version. You can go with the raw version, and it has the SC Project logo lasered into the exhaust, which looks pretty cool. But I thought that this one would be the way to go on this bike.
This is gonna sound so good. This is the only way to actually, get a good.
Dude, just look at I can practically.
Oh yeah, I can see you.
I can practically see you at the other end.
You know, and it's got 2 holes. It's like binoculars. Except they don't like binoc.
They don't binoc?
They don't binoc.
Can you see the titanium bluing around that ring? So, SC Project exhaust going on tomorrow. Well, in tomorrow's video for you guys on the R1. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys get notified of when the video goes live. Obviously, sign up for the newsletter so you guys can get first dibs on all of the new merch. Seriously, it's the best release that I've ever had. It's the largest release of merch that I've ever had, and I'm super excited for this collection. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. This has been... Riding. I feel like I interrupted you. Okay, we'll try it again. I've been Motonosity. This... okay, we did it. God, okay, we did...
Are you saying it or am I saying it?
You're saying it. Okay. Oh, well, I was gonna say this. You can say the whole thing. I've been Motonosity.
I've been in a box all day.
No, you haven't. You haven't. Don't give away you can't give away our jokes and our magic. So this has been Fry Riding. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Good video?
Yeah.
All right. Pumpkin patch tomorrow?
Yep.
Sweet.
See you in the morning.
All right. See you, man.
Hey guys. Are you still there? You left the Fry Riding in the box again. Well, I'm lonely. It's dark. Guys.